Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 317. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 3, 7. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9, no help here, 1, 5, 9, and no help here, 1, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 7, 7 here, so 1, 8, 7 here, so 1, 8. And that means the only place our 7 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 8 here, so 4, 8. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 6 here, so 2, 6. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, but with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 4, 2 here, so 1, 4. And that means that our 2 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 1 makes this our 4, 1, 9, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.